Behold, the mesmerizing drone show.
सज्जनों, ऊपर आसमान पे अपनी नजरों का ध्यान रखिए।
The deity of the seas, to bless us all here at the city of destiny.
समुद्र के अधिपति वरुण हम पर कृपया बनाए रखें। हम यहाँ सिटी ऑफ डेस्टिनी में समुद्र के देवता वरुण से सभी के कल्याण और आशीर्वाद का कामना करते हैं।
Join us as we take you on a voyage through time, tide, and tradition. India, the only country in the world to have an ocean named after her, possesses a glorious maritime heritage that spans over 5 millennia. Centrally located in the Indian Ocean, India's long coastline and many islands have shaped the flow of Indian thought and culture to various parts of the world. We honor the pioneers of our maritime mastery, the Cholas, Kalingas, Gurjanis, Marathas, and many more. Together, they bridged continents, carried our culture and commerce across the seas, and fortified our shores against the tides of invasion. No story of India and her seas would be complete without the Indian Navy and its men and women who safeguard our seas and serve the motherland with duty, honor, and courage. Independence. The Indian Navy was born as a modest flotilla of 50 coastal craft. In 1950, we shed the colonial royal prefix to become the pride of our free republic, the Indian Navy, India's Navy. From a modest flotilla to a mighty, multi-dimensional blue water force navy, the Indian Navy no longer only sails ships. We design, build, operate and deploy them. From INS Ajay to the indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant, the Indian Navy is truly an Atmanirbhar Navy.
Below the sea, on the surface, in the sky, space and cyberspace. Our reach extends from the sea to the skies, with the Indian Navy's aircraft adding another legal dimension. Naval aircraft ensure that no threat to our great nation goes unchallenged. Submarines patrol the vast oceans, their presence known only to those who dare challenge India's waters. These silent sentinels, with their unmatched stealth, embody the spirit of the Navy. These denizens of the deep are ready to respond with grit and resolve whenever called upon. Humanitarian aid and relief missions, protected our nation's interests and been our flag bearer across the world. Visakhapatnam for the International Fleet Review 2026. the spirit of camaraderie, cohesion, and collaboration as we stand together, united through oceans.